It's like E.T. Oh, Lily, it's so beautiful.
Like Mother Teresa. Hey, monkey feet! Yay!
Oh, goodness. That is the craziest thing I've ever seen.
Lily. Yay!
Lily, what are you doing? Are you an elephant? Yeah, you're an elephant. You're an elephant. There we go. There we go. Yeah, watch out! That's so cute. Do it again. Show us your moonwalk. She's channeling Michael Jackson.
Okay, look, that's upstairs in the bottom left corner. It says suggest friend. Hold on.
Here we go. Moonwalk, moonwalk. Can you do that again? Show us your moves. Oh!